Hi, this is Legacy Handyman. Today we're going to clean the condenser coil with the coil cleaner. You can purchase that coil cleaner in the link below. You should do this procedure at least once a year, preferably twice, in the spring and in the fall. First we're going to take off this cover. Before you take anything apart, you should make sure that your power is off. You can see all the dirt that prevents heat exchange between the outside air and the coil. That's why we're cleaning it. Don't try to use any other product that is specifically formulated for it, because it will destroy your coil and you will have to change the unit altogether. One can should be enough for one large unit. After you apply the coil cleaner, you should wait a little bit, let it soak in, and do some chemical reaction to remove the dirt. Since we got the cover off, we're gonna use the vacuum and vacuum out all the dirt on the bottom. So now we're ready to clean it with water. You should rinse it till you see the clean water coming out on the bottom, not the foam, but the clean water. Now the unit is clean. You can see how uniform and shiny it is. While you have the unit, the cover off, you should check all the wiring for integrity. Make sure it's not chewed up by squirrels or any kind of other creatures. Make sure everything is connected over here. Fan is in a good shape. Once this is done, we're ready to close the unit. Another thing to look, the outside unit should be level with the ground, not kinked, not sagged down. If it does, level it back up. It'll prolong the life of the unit. Once you assemble the unit back together, you can turn on the breaker. What I'm doing, I'm putting automotive wax on the unit. Makes it look better and protects the finish. All the products we're using in this video you can see on the links below. Thank you for watching. That was Legacy Handyman. Please subscribe to our channel and share our videos.